Hey YouTube, it's Naya, and this is a video on how to make a homemade mannequin with some at-home materials. So, I'm going to have everything you need listed on the sidelines, and this is basically the process that we went through. So first we went into with the masking tape over the saran wrap, and you're going to see how we did that here. Just keep stacking horizontally up, and then when it gets to your arms, you're going to do it side like an X. And then you're just going to keep with the same pattern as the bottom, which is horizontally. Now when it comes to the bust, that was the most trickiest part. You're just going to try your best to get every indent of your body. If you want an easier way to get the indents, it will be easier for you to cut lines in the tape. That way you get every shape and curve of your body. Now as you can see, we're just cutting from the bottom all the way up, and boom, there you have it, a homemade mannequin. And this is the finishing product. It actually works pretty well for measurements and anything that you want to put on your little fake body, just so you can see if you can fit it or not. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know, and thank you for watching.